Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Raya Elena. Today, could you see my breath? It's cold outside. Anyway, today we are getting a workout in, so I'm at the gym right now, and yeah, so let's go hit butt. That's what we're gonna do today. So yeah, let's go inside the gym. So right now I am just stretching. I have the treadmill already on, so it pulls my arms back a little bit. I'm stretching my ankles, loosening them up, and then I also stretch my shoulders and my arms a little bit. Okay, so I just got done with my warm-up, which is the run. Now we are about to move on to our booty, but this is a workout with no equipment at all, but I am going to show you guys a variation if you did want to add weights to get a little bit of a better workout. Like, I'm going to do half of an exercise without the weights and then half of the exercise with the weights. So if you guys want to get a good butt workout with no equipment at all, you could do this at home, but I'm at the gym. So yeah, keep watching right now. So to start off our workout, we are doing single leg deadlifts. So we are doing 10 on each leg, so 20 in total. To the next side. Also, when you're doing these, make sure that your abs are very tight to help you stay up. Don't use your legs for the whole entire thing. Also, tighten your abs. These deadlifts can be very tricky to stay balanced. As you can see, I am falling a lot right now, but just push through it and get through the workout. It will be so worth it in the end, I promise. So now we are moving on to glute bridges. We are doing 15 of these. I am doing some without the weight and also some with a weight placed on my lower stomach. So moving on to lunges, we're doing 30 lunges, so 15 on each leg. These you don't need a weight, so this exercise I'm going to be doing totally no equipment. on to squats now. We're doing 20 squats. So I'm doing 10 without a weight and then 10 with a weight. With the weight, you are going to place it in the palms of your hands and hold it as you're going down and up into the squat. Moving into our last exercise, but definitely not our least because we are repeating this circuit 2 more times, is donkey kickbacks, and we are doing 30 of these. I did not have weights for this one, but if you guys did want to add weights, ankle weights would be a perfect weight to add. As you guys are doing this exercise, make sure that your toe is always pointed towards the floor as if you're kicking a wall behind you. So now I'm just going to redo the circuit that we just did 2 more times, and then we are done with today's workout. I hope you guys enjoyed this workout to grow your guys' booty and was at home with no equipment at all. I'll see you guys in Saturday's vlog. So see you later.